Okay, so me and Molly are having a sleepover and she refuses to watch a horror movie.
So Naomi, she was trying to make me watch a horror movie that I'll get freaked out by.
She's making such a big deal out of this.
She thinks I'm making a big deal out of this. Push!
Okay, so I put this copy of Dead in this Pony Island 2 Return of Twinkle case.
So now we're watching Pony Island 2 Return of Twinkle!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
So, Molly, ready for the movie?
Uh-huh!
I guess we start watching this. Want them?
No, I don't want any!
That was rude and uncalled for.
We should go to bed now.
Whatever.
Don't you think Aiden is such a hunk?
No, Shane is the cute one.
You have no taste in men.
You have no taste in movies.
Touchy. Oh, I mean, touche.
I don't know why I ever chose you as a friend.
Huh? Naomi! What? Did you do that? No! Where are you?
I don't know. Come on, let's explore.
Whoa. What?
This door.
What about it?
Oh.
So? Does it open?
Push with me.
Harder! Naomi? Naomi? Where are you? Don't go into the beyond!
I'm right here.
Good. I'm so... Who are you?
I'm Andy.
What are you?
I'm a zombie.
Better than a vampire.
I'm a zombie / werewolf / vampire.
Oh crap!
You should be afraid.
I am.
Zombie dance.
Dun 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 no 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 no.
Molly! Molly, is that you? A ghost.
I am the ghost of Ashley. Why are you here?
I'm here because I don't really know.
I finished you! Hopefully there aren't any more creepy people.
Am I creepy? Yes.
Who are you running from? Give me a D! E-A-D! Put it all together and what does it spell?
Dead?
Yeah, that's what you're gonna be when I'm done with you!
No! We need to get out of here. This is not the Wizard of Oz, Molly.
Are we back?
I think so.
That was freaky.
Totally.
I'm exhausted.
Yeah, let's get some sleep.
Be careful.